Thank you.
Che mi ha detto che sono per l'acqua, pensavo
Ship head. So, and that's the legs. And that's a roasted one, and before they're gonna boil it out. And that's the ship's stomach and intestine. So that's for our lunch. It's the sheepskin. This old man wants me to have a photo with him, and this is the last village that I'm going to Tajikistan, and this is the way for me. I'm trying to hitchhike. So I hope I could find a shared taxi or a car for me to go to Tajikistan. So this is the last one for me for Kyrgyzstan. And this is a Kyrgyz man. Man, yeah, that, look. I'm now here in Saritash, which is the border of Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan. So this would be the last village that I'm gonna stay here in Kyrgyzstan. Just trying to hitchhike. Someone offered. It would be really interesting because we'll be about 10 people in that car. So I already leave Kyrgyzstan, and I'm now here in Tajikistan, and this is a part of Pamir's highway. If you Google it, Pamir's highway.